Take 10.
Take 10. We're about to raffle off the Christmas scratch card, which we had all the owners come round on the Christmas morning. We filled the card. First prize, you win a 12-week-old pup out of Rains Park and Hondo Black. So, Len Timmins is about to scratch the card for me to reveal the winner. So, thank you for everybody having a go and good luck. I'll pass you over to Len. Where's the drum roll?
Right, drum roll.
Come on.
Right, the winner is Bolton.
Bolton.
Oh, look, I ain't got my glasses.
Bolton. Oh.
Viv, we've done it!
You wouldn't believe it. The winner are here. And here we go. Can we film it so it's not a fix? Bolton. Bolton. And we circle the winner. We highlight
Well done,
it.
Vic.
And I'm keeping the 5p.
Will, it's
Is it real?
Yeah.
And the winner is Viv. There we go.
And you can pick your pup.
Oh, I know which one I want.
Not the one with the lovely eyes.
No, the one with the white face.
Bolton with Viv like to say a few words.
Come on, Viv.
I just have absolutely got
Just thank you, Mother. Thank you, Father.
I know. I can
Graham.
Brilliant, brilliant. I'm not usually this lucky, but great.
Well, there you go. Merry
I'll be happy.
Christmas.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bitches. So it's quite simple to pick.
Puppies!
Quite easy to buy a blue one if you want to. Not a problem at all. They're not overly expensive.
We do all this every week.
These are bred the same way as Clifford.
No, you.
So what are you doing now? Are you picking your prize here?
I think she's having a bitch now, so you're all right. You've got the dogs to supply.
So what's this, Chris?
Yeah.
Chris?
Right, this is the winner of the raffle. What Viv has chosen. It's a little blue bitch. Earmark is TVQ.
Look at the tail.
NP. So there you go. There's the winner of the raffle 2013.
Excellent.
Good luck.